Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be reviewing this Pneumatic Heavy Duty Mini Surface Sander Kit made by OEMTools, model number 24417 from Mobile Distributor Supply. A link to this pneumatic sander kit will be included in the description below. So if you haven't noticed already, I've been using this surface sander on a few different project videos so far, and it's been a huge improvement, helping cut down my prep times. Beyond the surface sander, this kit also includes a wrench and various abrasives to get you started on any project. It comes neatly packed in a hard plastic case, so it can be easily stored in your toolbox to improve organization. Only weighing in at 1.15 pounds, this 2-speed surface sander has a maximum free speed of 15,000 RPM, is only 4.9 inches in length, so it's great for tight spaces, and has a sound rating of 81 decibels. The recommended hose size is 3/8 of an inch. It has an air consumption of 2.1 CFM at 90 psi. The exhaust port is located at the handle's base by the air supply fitting, so this helps keep away any contaminants when doing auto body repairs. There is 2 different rubber backing pads, one being 2-inch in diameter and the other being 3-inch in diameter. 2 and 3-inch diameter abrasives are also included, both pads and sanding discs. The abrasives include both medium and coarse grits, which is great for working with rust. This includes both surface and scaling, along with fiberglass or body filler. The abrasives use a twist lock attachment, also referred to as a row lock, which is a very common system. Mobile Distributor Supply also stocks new abrasives, and the pads do last for a long time regardless of the material you are working with. The high and low speeds allow you to either work faster or work on components which may require a slower, more careful material removal. This is being used with a 2-cylinder, I believe a 10-gallon capacity air compressor. The small size allows you to get into those tight places, while the light design makes it easy to work with for long terms. While I have been using the high speed for the most part, the low speed does allow you to take more ease when working with softer materials. The larger diameter discs are great for working in larger areas and provides more surface area so you don't dig down into the material and create an uneven surface. The 2-inch discs on the other hand allow you to get around objects and in tight spaces. Doing any auto body repairs or working with metal, if you're an at-home DIYer or a professional in the field, this is definitely an awesome tool to have for you. Have you purchased this product in the past? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below, helping out fellow viewers. New videos released every week on my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.